In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use OpenAI Codex in VS Code. First of all, you need to open the VS Code, then you need to click on the extensions in the left menu, and in the search you need to write Codex. Then in the list you need to find Codex, OpenAI's coding agent, and you need to click on this. Then click on install button right here, then click Trust Publisher and install. After that, you will see the Codex icon right here. You need to click on this and you need to sign in into your ChatGPT. You can use API key for signing in or just click on signing in right here. And this will open the browser and you need to write your credentials. And then you can go back to VS Code and click on the next button right here. Then click next. And this is introducing us the Codex. So you can continue, click the next button right here, and that's all. Now we can use the Codex in the VS Code. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.